Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siva Fauziah Aisyah with student ID 32. Today, I would like to present two important topics in literary studies, namely variable and elements of drama. These two concepts are often discussed in literature because they help us understand how meaning is constructed in stories and plays. In this presentation, I will begin by explaining the definition of each concept based on modern literature theory. Then I will provide examples from English literary works and explain how those works fit the concept being discussed. Definition of variable. To begin with, a variable is a short narrative that is intentionally designed to convey moral, ethical, or philosophy ideas. What makes a variable different from ordinary story is its focus on meaning rather than realism. Variable usually present simple events and symbolic character, but behind that simplicity lies a deeper message that readers are expected to interpret. Instead to directly telling reader what is right or wrong, a variable encourages reflection. Readers are invited to thinking critically about the situation in the story and connect it to real-life experience. Theoretical perspective. From a modern literary perspective, scholars such as Chris Baldick and G.A. Cousin discuss variable as a form of in their teaching. According to them, variables do not openly explain their moralism. Instead, they rely on symbolism and implication. This effort is important because it makes readers active participants in the process of interpretation. Rather than passively receiving a message, readers must analyze the story and discover its meaning on their own. This is why variable remains relevant in contemporary literature. Why variables are important? Variable plays an important role in literature because they allow writers to address complex moral and social issues in a simple, accessible way. Characters in variables often reference ideal value or moral attitude instead of realistic individualities. Because of the symbolic quality, variables are frequently used to discuss topics such as power, justice, faith, ambition, and human weakness. Even in a modern literature, variables continue to function as tools for criticism and for moral reflection. Example 1 is Animal Farm. One clear example of a modern is Animal Farm by George Orwell. In this novel, animals are used as symbol figures to represent human political system and ideology. The story itself is very simple, but the message behind is complex. Orwell uses this parable to criticize the corruption of power and the failure of the revolutionary ideas. Orwell uses this parable to criticize the corruption of power and the failure of revolutionary ideals. Because the character and events are symbolic and the narrative focus on a moralism rather than realism, Animal Farm strongly fits the definition of a parable. Example 2 is The Alchemist. Another example of a variable can be found in The Alchemist by Paul Coelho. This novel presents a journey narrative that symbolizes personal growth and self-discovery. The characters and events are not meant to be realistic, either reference universal human experience. The story encourages readers to reflect on ideas such as destiny, dreaming, and purpose in life. For this reason, the analysis can be considered a philosophical variable. Okay, conclusion of variable. To conclude this session, variable remains significant in modern literature because they communicate moral and philosophical ideas through symbolic storytelling. Their simple structure allows readers to engage deeply with complex meaning, making variable both timeless and relevant. Definition of elements of drama. Okay, moving on the second topic, the elements of drama refer to the fundamental components that shape a dramatic work. These elements include plot, character, setting, conflict, themes, and dialogues. Together, these elements help a play communicate meaning and create dramatic tension and produce emotional impact for the audience. Without these elements, a dramatic work would lack structure and concurrence. Modern drama theory. In contemporary drama theory, scholars emphasize that the elements of drama do not function separately. According to modern critics, the effectiveness of a play depends on how well these elements interact with one another. For example, characters are revealed through dialogue, conflict drives the plot, and setting represents the theme. This interaction allows drama to represent human experience in a powerful and engaging way. Importance of dramatic elements. The elements of a drama are important because they judge both the structure of the play and the audience understanding. Plot organizes and the sequence of events, character express motivation and personality. Conflict creates tension and dialogue reveal emotion and ideas. Even in a modern or experimental drama, these elements remain essential, although they may appear in unconventional forms. Okay, next is example number 1 is A Dollhouse. One example that clearly demonstrates the elements of drama is A Dollhouse by Henrik Ibsen. In this play, the central conflict arises from Nora's struggle against social expectation and her role as a wife. Character development is shown through dialogue and action, while the setting emphasizes the theme of confinement. These dramatic elements work together to critique gender roles and social norms. Example number 2 is Death of a Salesman. Another example is Death of a Salesman by Arthur Miller. In this play, the plot combines present events with memories, reflecting the physiological state of the main character, Willy Loman. Conflict exists both internally and externally, and dialogue plays a crucial role in revealing the themes of ambition, failure, and the illusion of success. This is how the elements of drama function conceptually in modern drama. How the elements work together. In modern drama, the interaction of plot, character, conflict, and themes create emotional depth and realism. Even when playing writes experience with narrative structure, these core elements remain essential in engaging the audience and conveying meaning. Conclusion. In conclusion, both parables and elements of drama play important roles in literature studies. Parables use symbolic storytelling to communicate moral and philosophical ideas, while the element of drama provides structure and emotional impact in plays. Together, this concept helps us understand how literature reflects human experience through narrative and performance. Thank you for your attention.